One of the most common questions that we get asked in the Idea Factory is which type of filament to use when 3D printing. This really depends on the print job and what you need your print to do. To help with knowing the pros and cons of each type of filament, we've created this chart, which shows each filament's strengths and weaknesses. This chart can be found on our website and is also posted in the Idea Factory. For beginners, we recommend using PLA filament because it has a high ease of printing and it has good layer adhesion. Another question that's frequently asked is where to get 3D printing filament. Amazon's a really good resource for this. Just look up 1.75 millimeter filament. Now, 1.75 is the size that all of our 3D printers will take. So do 1.75, your type of plastic that you're going to be using, filament, and then a kilogram roll is a common size to find your filament. Now be careful, the difference between a good filament and a bad filament is only going to be a few dollars. So be careful to be checking reviews as you look at your filament. For beginners, make sure that you don't get a composite material such as woods, silks, or metals. Now, brands that we recommend are often the Amazon brand of filament or the Hatchbox brand. Both of those do great on all of our printers. If you have any questions about your specific filament, feel free to give us a call.